Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to shoot a different video for you guys. I decided to style this short hair, this gorgeous short hair that I got at Ebano supermarket. I don't know, like the story is just crazy. I went to Ebano to buy groceries. I saw this hair on a mannequin head. I'm like, oh my god, I love this hair. I'm not really a fan of short hair, guys, you know, but the color really tripped me. When I saw the color, I'm like, oh my god, this color looks so beautiful. And it's been a while I wore short hair, so I got it for 9,500 naira. So if you guys stay in Lekki and you stay here in phase 1, you know, I'm sure everybody knows Ebano supermarket here in Lekki phase 1. Here in phase 1 they are quite popular, so I just went there to buy groceries and I found this hair. I'm like, oh my god, ooh. I bought the hair. So if you guys find it interesting, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial.
First, we're gonna get into the construction of this wig. So this is the wig. It's a synthetic Pixie cut wig. She's a burgundy color and she has a comb at the back of the hair. There's also a strap in the back. I was so excited when I got this hair. I threw away the pack. I never knew I was gonna shoot this video. I never knew I was gonna style this hair for you guys. So in fact, I wish I knew the company that produced this hair. But you can basically go to Ebano supermarket if you stay here in phase 1 and see if you can find yourself one short hair, one Pixie short hair, because that's where I got mine. And you can basically buy any Pixie short hair. You can buy it anywhere. You can go to the market, you can order online anywhere and basically style it the way you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate your love and support. God bless you. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys love the way I style this hair. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share your thoughts down below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.